Of course. Wait, what counts as a strike? I start. Yeah, start. Right. Just right. Okay, starter. Large, extra large, triple extra large. Popcorn chicken, please. Sorry, popcorn chicken.
From KFC.
Yes. And then my side would be fries
Fries, okay.
from KFC.
Okay.
Because the season करते वैसा fries पे कुछ अच्छा taste अच्छा. Then my drink would be एक बार try करा मैं best drink I've ever had. Baja Blast from Taco Bell.
Baja Blast, okay. Taco Bell, okay.
Then my dessert. अरे मैं नहीं खाता, मैं बात नहीं करता. दो मैं. My dessert would be churros from Taco Bell.
Nice.
And then my main, two mains. First main is Whopper,
From Burger King.
of course. And then three mains. Second, Whopper. Next one, last one. Domino's onion pizza.
Domino's onion pizza.
Onion pizza.
Yeah, it's nice. Great. So you're all set for going to India.
Filled crust, with tomato
Stuffed crust, yeah.
Tomato crust.
Great.
Imagine having that.
That's a
every
great
day.
choice to have. So you're all set to go to India, is it? Brilliant. How about you?
At least my football curry, that is
What do you, when you land in India, what do you want to have?
Subway will be good after coming from flight. Subway will be nice. Subway will be nice from a flight.
Minerva
Sweets. Samosa chaat. That's
No,
it.
after you land, like airport में क्या खाते? What are you likely to eat in airport? Indian food. Would you want to eat in airport? First
Biryani in airport?
Would you want to eat in airport if you saw Indian food, real authentic Indian food? Would you? What?
airport food will not be good.
I mean, okay. Mama.
Now what?
Fast food item, not a place. Item.
In India? Indian fast food item.
It can be KFC, it can be Subway, anything, but it has to be an item.
Chow mein.
That is usually only in India.
Samosa chaat.
Samosa chaat.
Samosa chaat.
No. Fast food. That's not fast food. That's
Samosa chaat is fast food.
Indian fast food, nahi, like fast food that only appears in India. Like imagine a burger, but a burger that only appears in India.
Pav bhaji.
बोल रहे हैं ना,
That's
समोसा
pav
चाट,
bhaji.
पाव भाजी.
No, but it doesn't appear in UK. Like something that would appear in UK, but उसका different version. Okay. UK में एक burger है, imagine करो. But एक different नाम का burger के बनना है, but एक different patty है. Same fast food chains है. Imagine McDonald's में एक burger है, एक और different McDonald's, but India में McDonald's समझो. एक और same है, burger है, but एक different item है.
Pav bhaji is a fast food. Samosa chaat is a fast food.
No, inside fast food like KFC, fast food chain ka item. Chain. Something signature. Indian signature.
Indian signature.
Chain.
For example,
If I say, you will also
just say the one.
like. I will give an example. You're not allowed to use it. Aloo tikki, aloo tikki burger. It is McDonald's का burger यहाँ भी है ना, पर वहाँ है इंडिया में एक fast food item that I ate, but it has to be from a fast food chain like Subway, McDonald's, Burger King.
KFC में क्या है?
Anything? No, not only those three. Many more fast food chains.
You tell
It
us.
can be either all around the world or all around India. Haldiram will also count. But Haldiram doesn't have like.
और कौन सा फास्ट फूड में वैसा खा लिया तू?
तुम बोलो एक.
We don't remember. बर्गर
सिग्नेचर नहीं जस्ट a random item and I will compare who has a better item.
बर्गर रे
Imagine
मैकडी का
you say a
बर्गर
burger, any type of burger, and she says any type of pizza from a fast food chain. I will compare which pizza is better or which burger is better.
सो आई से
Which one is better?
KFC's क्रिस्पी चिकन का क्या क्रिस्पी जिंगर बर्गर जिंगर
It doesn't only have to be burger. It can be anything.
जिंगर बर्गर मैं बोल रहा हूँ वही है अभी
Zinger.
फरा
Which
बोल
one? Which one?
जिंगर बर्गर
Which zinger? There are many zingers.
व्हाट जिंगर
Zinger is just a type of burger.
Hmm.
There is many like ways you can serve it. You know, एक बार मैं ट्रिपल पैटी zinger खाया. 1, 2, 3. ऐसा. बहुत अच्छा है.
ओके तो दिस वन इज सिंगल पैटी जिंगर
Okay, spicy or no spicy?
हाँ.
Spicy में
Spicy.
में मसाला डालते हैं. मसाला के अंदर कुक करते हैं. हैं?
स्पाइसी जिंगर बर्गर
ओके तो मैं बोला फास्ट फूड इंडिया में खाया सो एनी इट डजंट हैव टू बी इंडियन फास्ट फूड चेन से एनी आइटम रैंडम आइटम बट यू हैव टू ट्राई मेक इट द बेस्ट आइटम बेटर देन ही हैज जिंगर बर्गर
Taco. क्या था वो मतलब
ना यू शुड नो द नेम यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू मेक
सॉफ्ट टाको भी थे और
taco shell में
क्रंची टाको
chicken.
क्रंची टाको में पसंद है पापड़ जैसा सॉफ्ट टाको अच्छा है
सॉफ्ट टाको
क्रंची
बरीटो भी था
burrito नहीं है चावल जस्ट टाको है टोर्टिला टाको है
सो शी सेइंग टाको सॉफ्ट टाको बोल
No, but she has to have a name. You have a name, singer. She has to have a name. बोलो मामा, एक name के साथ. It has to be the exact name of the item. You just said soft taco. There's many soft tacos.
I don't remember that name.
No, it can be anywhere.
Crunchy taco something कुछ था.
Okay. It is okay. You had lost one. So
which one?
It was soft taco. चिकन फ्रेंजी सॉफ्ट टाको था टाको
ओके
बेल
ओह
एक बार लिया हूँ एक दो बार वो डम्पलिंग भी लिए थे ना जो हॉट थी वो मिर्ची थी क्या थी वो एक नया ओपन हुई थी जापानीज रेस्टोरेंट में साइड में
वो तो मोमोज को डम्पलिंग बोल रहेगा तो मोमोज था
डम्पलिंग था वो डम्पलिंग सही वैसा रहा था डम्पलिंग मोमो विल बी लाइक सर्कल स्क्वायर
तो विच वन इज योर फेवरेट
I like zinger नहीं पसंद मेरे I don't like zinger it's very bland because of the lettuce in Burger King के कुछ भी lettuce नहीं है Burger King में I like Burger King और zinger burger
बर्गर किंग का विच वन
I don't even know the name
Whopper it's done
Oh my god, I put this batter and this halwa together for so long and nobody took it. Oh my god.
first time they got the order for Peshawari one
Baby लेने नहीं वाला. Starter, हैं? Name starter, side dish, main course, 2 or 3 main courses. It has to be 2 or 3 main courses. 1 dessert and it can be any Indian dish. It can be fast food. It can be outside food. Any type of food. You start first.
क्या starter?
Starter,
main
side dish, 2 or 3 mains. 2 or 3. It has to be. It cannot be 1, 2 or 3. Okay? And then 1 dessert. And then 1 side soft drink. Any type of drink. It can even be chai. But something I would like. No, actually, it can be anything. I will just rate it. It can be anything. You starter. What would you start with? Best Indian. It can be from fast food like KFC. Or it can be like chaat.
Chicken 65.
What's the starter?
okay
देखो वो ग्रीन कलर का है रिमेम्बर मोहर का मैं मेमोरी में वो ग्रीन कलर का तंदूरी चिकन था ना इस बार, ग्रीन कलर का तंदूरी चिकन,
चिकन हरा भरा.
वो सबसे बेस्ट है. नंबर 1 स्टार्टर इंडियन में बेस्ट.
Yeah, actually it was good. And that soup was also good. Wonton.
I got
Manchow
I got
soup.
tired of eating it. It was too like ज़्यादा लिक्विड ही नहीं खाना चाहिए. Hot liquid.
Okay, so that's the starter. Come to the
Nice.
Main course.
Agreed. I will rate it 2. Okay, like out of 10. I will rate that.
You skeptics, you skeptics.
9.2 out of 10. Huh? Nice choice. Nice choice, Mama. Nice choice. 9.2 out of 10. Your side dish.
side dish. What is side dish?
It's your only chance.
It's like odds on the seat.
And you know what a side dish is? Indian dish.
Social distancing.
Side dish. Imagine. Can't say. Bhaji.
ओके दोस्तों, तो ये बेहद ज़रूरी और वाइटल चर्चा जारी रहेगी
You can take another
पार्ट 2
chicken.
में.
Another chicken because that was